This is the completely redesigned MacBook Air. We have the laptop itself, your typical paperwork, along with a power brick and the included charging cable. But here is the MacBook Air itself, and it looks awesome. I really like this midnight color. It's a dark blue that almost looks black depending on how the light hits it. The MacBook Air now has a flat design instead of the tapered one that we had before. On the side, we have a MagSafe charging port now. The next big change we have is the screen, with it now being bigger thanks to having thinner bezels and a notch that goes around the camera. Speaking of the camera, it's now 1080p for sharper FaceTime and video calls. Now, in terms of the display itself, it's 25% brighter than before. There's now 4 speakers instead of just 2. The function keys now have full height instead of the compact versions. And of course, the biggest new improvement on this entire laptop is what's underneath it, with this new MacBook Air being powered by Apple's all-new M2 chip, which Apple says is between 18 and 35% faster than the M1 chip in the last MacBook Air.
Support tasks like memory hogging, multi-tab browsing, and opening a huge graphic file quickly and easily. Stunning display with a 13.3 Retina display. Images come alive with new levels of realism. Text is sharp and clear, and colors are more vibrant. Why Mac? Easy to learn, easy to set up, astoundingly powerful, intuitive, packed with apps to use right out of the box. Mac is designed to let you work, play, and create like never before. Simply compatible. All your existing apps work, including Adobe Creative Cloud, Microsoft 365, and Google Drive. Plus, you can use your favorite iPhone and iPad apps directly on macOS. Altogether, you will have access to the biggest collection of apps ever for Mac, all available on the App Store. Easy to learn if you already have an iPhone. MacBook Air feels familiar from the moment you turn it on, and it works perfectly with all your Apple devices. Use your iPad to extend the workspace of your Mac, answer texts and phone calls directly on your Mac, and more.